Good Tuesday morning, 2 a.m. Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for April 15th, 2014. And today being tax day, it is also a transition day. Hopefully you have your taxes done by now, by the deadline today. And we also have a transition day from very warm temperatures that have been over the area for the last couple days to much, much colder temperatures here with this cold front moving through. And we're going to have an area, here's the cold front sitting back here at 7 a.m. on, 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Area low pressure is going to form along that front and actually enhance the rainfall as this front moves east across our area here. So this is going to move across this way, probably make it over to a position right about here at by the time we get to this evening. So won't be moving too terribly fast, so we will have the opportunity for some heavy rainfall across eastern parts of Pennsylvania especially, and the western half of New Jersey. I'm going to go a little bit further in time here. Here is the afternoon hours on Tuesday, and then here's the evening hours. Now, very interesting, the GFS is putting this snow here on the back end here. A lot of models are doing that. GFS is the most aggressive with it, and is really crashing these temperatures very quickly. At this point, the GFS has the frontal boundary sitting here right like this, and it has the 850 millibar temperatures, which is the temperatures up at 5,000 feet, crashing to well below zero values, and that's translating down to the surface very quickly. And even though its areas are most areas are above 32, you're still getting snow because of those 850 millibar temperatures being so cold behind this frontal boundary. So any precipitation that is lingering behind this front after it passes could be in the form of snow. If you look on the Weather Alert Maps page, which is the link is right to the left of this video as you're watching it on the home page, that says Weather Alert Maps. Click on that tab. It'll take you to our total rainfall expected by area, and also areas that we think that could see some snowflakes or even some minor accumulations. And I think those minor accumulations are very possible, especially up in the higher elevations of the Poconos up in this area here. So definitely check that out so you understand what's coming. So there's a big difference between snow accumulating and snow falling. I think the ground's too warm. We're not dealing with roadway accumulation, so nothing really to get too excited about. But since we do have an opportunity for some accumulations, we got to put some maps out up here just the same. Like I said, the GFS is the most aggressive with this. Actually has this changing to snow all the way down to the coastal regions here, which I don't think is correct. We actually have our area of snow, and you'll see this in the Weather Alert Maps page. Kind of like in this area, everything northwest up here is the area that could see the snowflakes. Down here, I don't think so. I think you're too warm and you just see the rain, and then it's just the cold front just continues off the coast unabated without any further problems. And you can see that here. This is Wednesday morning. Mostly sunny skies on Wednesday morning with high pressure building in, but it's going to be much colder with those winds coming in behind it from the northwest, and you're definitely going to feel a big difference of a drop in temperatures, of air temperatures of over 30 degrees from what it was on Sunday and again on Monday. Let's go to the NAM high res, and we'll take a look at the future simulated radar. This is starting off at 5 o'clock in the morning, and we're just going to jump ahead a little bit. Again, the prefrontal trough out ahead of this is going to spark these, spark the rain out ahead of it. Your cold front at this point is actually sitting way back here, so this is kind of like a prefrontal trough here. Could have some showers and thunderstorms with this. Not talking about severe weather. We don't have anything that will allow severe weather in our area. We'd have a lot of convective inhibition, which is basically their cloud cover that will limit the instability. So not a lot of instability to deal with here, but you could get some showers and thunderstorms pop up here. And then we think from mid-morning onward, you're going to get some fairly heavy rainfall, locally heavy rainfall with those thunderstorms especially. Could enhance the rainfall and allow for some heavy rainfall in those thunderstorms. But you can see now we're going to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, still going strong here with these heavy rain bands coming through. And then as we get to the evening hours here, I think it starts to wrap up here. Here's 8 o'clock on Tuesday evening. You see the NAM high res has the snow. Here's your 32 degree line right like this. It's just north of the Lehigh Valley and just getting into Sussex County. So this area up here would all be snow at this point. Even though it's above 32, I think your area of snow is actually all the way down to here, but just not sticking because, again, those 850 millibar temperatures are crashing, and you're going to have the cold air rushing in behind it. So we did include it a little bit further south, even though the NAM does not show that here. It's just confining it up to basically northeast PA, and actually showing rain here, but of course with 32 degrees being all the way down here, we're not talking about rain at this point. Here's your 32 degree line. I'll just draw it because it's hard to see. But anything north of that would be all snow and possibly sticking in the higher elevations up here. Again, non-paved surface accumulations we're dealing with. But then after this point, we think this is going to head out of here pretty quickly, and that could be done by midnight. Here's midnight. You're showing, and it's showing everything exiting the coast at this point, setting up a nice Wednesday. Let's go back to the GFS here. We'll just show you the rest of the week here real quick. Again, high pressure moving in on Wednesday. It'll be a nice day, very nice day, mostly sunny skies, maybe very few clouds in the sky, but it's going to be in the 40s in many locations for highs. You can check out your local forecast under the daily forecast tab for your area to see what our forecast highs are for your area on Wednesday. But then we will have moderating temperatures a little bit on Thursday, but still below normal for this time of year. And then as we head towards the end of the week here, we get into Saturday. Very weak short wave that's going to move through here. Not going to produce a lot of precipitation here. Going to be a mostly cloudy day on Saturday with the opportunity for a few showers. Again, not a big deal here. The GFS isn't really showing too much here either. But then we think this is over and done with on Sunday, and it's out of here. The European model shows very little as well, so I'm not really concerned with Saturday being a washout completely, just a few spotty showers here and there. And then Sunday looks like it's going to be a good day. GFS is still trying to hang some moisture around here, but the European model disagrees and just shunts this out of here. So we're going to side with that, keep it partly cloudy on Sunday, and take showers out of the forecast for Sunday. So it looks like a nice weekend coming up. For the most part, not as nice as last weekend. But again, a few opportunities for a passing shower on Saturday, but I really don't think it's going to do anything to ruin your plans too much or inconvenience you all that much either. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for April 15th, 2014. Have a great Tuesday.